What's up, guys? How you doing today? And welcome to another episode of JDTV Co. I can't slam it. Okay. Today we're going to do an actual live unboxing of a brand new line of tools from our friends at Vim. So I hope you're ready, right? You excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. And well, I got your attention. Remember, it's free. It doesn't cost you a plum nickel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Right?
Yes.
Interactive. Let's go. Ask some questions. We'll answer your questions for you. Nick, you want to talk about lights or you want to talk about the Vim stuff first?
Open the box.
Open the box.
Open the box.
Open
Let's
the box.
go.
What's in the box? What movie is that from?
A movie?
You never seen that movie?
I don't know.
What's in the box? VC, you ever seen that movie?
Nope.
Really? It's his wife's head? You didn't see that one?
No, I must have missed that one.
Really?
Everybody remembers that.
I forget the movie. But yeah, he's a detective and he's tracking his psychopath murderer, and at the end he's like, open a box. And he's like, I'm not gonna open a box. So he knew it was his wife's head.
Yeah, I missed that one.
Brad Pitt. BC. Get on that. Let me know the name of the movie. All right, guys. Everybody says they're going to do something, but nobody does anything except for Mr. Louis Lopez at Vim Tools. Tariffs are hitting everybody, affecting everybody, and what he did is he stepped up to the plate and had some USA-made tools made. Right? They make a lot of tools,
yes.
Vim, but they came out with a whole line of USA tools, and I'm sure the line is going to grow every day. Right? Now, guys, these tools are not for the weak at heart. They're not inexpensive by any stretch of the imagination. And I have all the prices here, and we're going to go through all the pricing of these as well. Okay, make sure there's part numbers on here. This is an actual live unboxing. They came out with a complete line of ratchets, all made in the United States of America, right?
Yes.
Nobody's doing that. Know who's doing that? They're doing that.
Well, there's a smaller company that does it. Snap something.
Snap-on?
Yeah,
Hey,
I think them.
You know, and guys, listen, this stuff's not cheap. I mean, like, back in the day, I bought, no exaggeration, we probably bought 200 steel and ratchets just like this, right?
Oh, yeah.
And I think I paid, like, less than $10 for them on closeout. Perhaps. Allegedly. We're sold out of them, so. But here is the Vim half-inch drive flex ratchet, 24 inches it looks like to me. And FR8 USA, Nick. How much is it?
That is going to be $175.
$175. Guys, you want made in USA tools? You got to step up and pay for them. If Snap-on made it, leave in the comments below what this particular ratchet would cost. I have no idea. I'm federally banned from entering any Snap-on truck in America. Do you know that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it's a true story.
The movie was called Seven.
Seven. Great movie. Make sure, Netflix. Is it on Netflix?
I think so.
Everybody watched the movie Seven. It's a great movie. It was probably done in the 90s. 95. A great year. My son was born in 95.
I was.
See? I'm pretty good at that. Okay, guys, I'm jumping ahead, but they designed this ratchet from the ground up. And it's the most finest ratchet I've ever seen in my life. It's got zero back drag. It's insane.
90 tooth.
90 tooth. I don't know how they're getting this kind of finality. I'm making words up.
Finesse.
No. It's so fine. I don't know how they got out of 90 teeth, but it's super fine. And it's mind-boggling that somebody is stepping up. Listen, when Vim said, let's do this, you know what this took? Two things, Nick. What did it take?
Money and nuts.
Money and nuts. Okay? Because you're not doing this project without those things. And check, this is the 3/8 version. This is the 3/8 FR6 USA. How much is this?
$120.
$120. It's beautiful. It is literally a work of art. Super smooth. And let me tell you something. A lot of these China or Taiwan ratchets, flex head wrenches, when you do this, it feels like a box of sand has entered the chat. Nick, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. There's some where we have to physically get them moving along before we put them in a box. And again, listen to this. I got some. I took some sockets too, Nick, so we can. Guys.
And for the record, that one is sold.
This one's sold. You know why? Mr. Gadget came in, and he said, "I want that ratchet." So I was like, "It's in a box. We can't." He's like, "Listen, I know what it is." He came here with list tools. He comes here once a year. He owns a company who makes race parts for Toyota, right?
Yes.
For the trucks, superchargers. You know, is it Gadget?
I believe it's URD.
URD.
Underdog Racing Development.
Underdog Racing Development. Shout out. This is not paid either.
No.
He's a good guy, man. He's a good person. So if you need anything for your Toyota pickup truck, hit him up. How much? So it's just 120. Okay. Also, we have the standard half-inch drive, 8-inch ratchet, and this is going to be an R8 USA. How much?
Also 120.
120. Listen to that. It's amazing. This is nice too. 6-inch, 3/8 ratchet, non-flex. How much?
$96.
$96. And again, I get it. They're not cheap, but the quality is through the roof. I like the handle. Nice job with the handle too. Last but not least, we have the 1/4-inch variants. This is going to be the R4 USA.
R4 USA is going to be $72.
Guys, listen to this. Wait, let me reverse directions. That's it. Nobody's doing that. Nobody's doing that. We got the flex head model right here too. We should take one apart. We'll take one apart. I could do it. FR4 USA, how much?
104.
How much is this on a Snap-on truck? Okay, leave in the comments below. I'm curious about how the prices are going to match up. And I know Snap-on's made in USA. So is this. I know Snap-on's guaranteed for life. And so is this. Right? It's amazing, Nick. Everybody wants made in USA, right? But everybody's a TikTok tool dealer where everything's where, Nick?
China, Taiwan, etc.
Etc., etc., etc. Last but not least, and I think this is a really nice, super sexy set. This is the 1/4-inch drive locking extension sets. They're gonna want to take it out next. Let me take it out. This is super nice.
That's 1/4-inch drive, the big one?
It's 1/4-inch drive.
Really?
Yeah. This set is the ILEX 400 USA. How much?
It's gonna be $199.
$199. It's a 5-piece set. How long is this? Do you know? That's 36. Is that 36 inches?
It doesn't say. 24? No, it's
24?
I don't know.
Hang on. Let me get the old measuring stick out. 24. Guys, SK used to make a really nice set of these. After SK ceased to exist and stopped making them, nobody has made a good set of locking extensions. Snap-on, Mac, I don't know. I'm not allowed, I told you I'm not allowed in trucks. But like, in my end of the business, Garage made a set. I never sold them because they would break your heart at any given moment. So nobody really made a nice set of locking extensions, and I guess they seen a void, and here they are.
Green Pneumatic does, but at least these are made in America.
They don't make nothing like this, do they?
Not that big, I don't think.
No.
They make like a 1/4-inch locking set.
Nobody's doing this. You know who did this? Vim did it. And I also have the 3/8 set. It's a little smaller. I'm assuming maybe down the road they'll make a big set. And this is the ILEX 600 USA. How much, Nick?
120.
3-piece. Locking extension. 3/8 drive. Put it in your toolbox. When you need it, it'll be there for you. And last but not least, we have the 1/2-inch locking set. 3-piece set. EX 800.
135.
135. I think that's the seller right there. I think they need to make a longer set of that one, but what do I know? Okay, guys. Speaking of TikTok, I hate TikTok. I pray every morning. I pray for a few things, and I pray for TikTok to get taken down. I do.
Well, they're making it very hard for businesses to navigate the platform.
And if you're somebody like us, and there's a lot of people like us that sell any product out there, and they make it so hard for you to do a stupid video that they're going to shoot themselves in the foot and they're going to ruin that platform. And I hope they do. I don't really care. I mean, I like YouTube. I like Facebook, Instagram. I'm not big on TikTok. You?
No, I don't even use it.
Yeah, I do. I'm addicted to it personally. How about you, VC?
TikTok?
Yeah.
I sit on TikTok.
You see, we're losers. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Okay, I don't want to make. Okay, no, the dog's still good. Wait till the end. I'll show you the dog. The dog's doing really good too, man. We adopted a dog and we got another dog Monday. So now we have 2 dogs in the house, and this little guy has gained 1 pound in 2 weeks. He's walking, jumping, wagging his tail, barking. He is almost a normal dog at this point because it took him forever to do these tasks. Still doesn't like me yet. Okay, I hate Olight. Is it Olight?
Olight.
I'm not a big fan of Streamlight, but Streamlight has some nice products. I want to talk about some of them also. But I like Phoenix. We've been selling Phoenix for a while, right?
That's our go-to quality flashlight.
I'm trying to get my own light done, and I'm hitting some roadblocks, especially these days. So we're sticking with Phoenix for now, and they came out with this light, and this is the E06R. This thing is a work of art. Okay, square, fits in your pocket nice, but it has so many different modes. Okay, it's got the laser pointer. I love that. My hands are dirty too now, so you can touch some extensions. It's got the It's got the UV light for leaks. And somebody was saying that because this is 35 modes.
Yeah.
I'm not a boomer, but I'm not exactly tech savvy, right, Nick?
Yeah.
Nick, will you agree with that?
Yeah.
VC, will you agree with that?
Of course.
I'm not exactly tech savvy, but I figured this light out in 30 seconds. It's not really that hard.
And sometimes you got to admit defeat and maybe read the instructions.
What's that?
The little story.
The short story about Emmanuel.
Yeah.
But check this light out. Check out the modes on this light. Watch. Oh, my battery's dead. I never charged it.
It's kind of working.
Yeah. But look at that. That's bright. Okay?
And I think you can switch the color.
Yeah,
like
there's all kinds of. I mean, there's,
yellow light.
I got a charger. I took it out of the box first. I didn't, but this thing's insane, and it's $74.95. It's not $120 like the O light. TikTok.
But the guy on the little video told me to buy the.
Because he got it for free, Nick, and he had put a link up, and he gets a nickel for everyone he sells. That's why he likes it. He's a shill. He's a paid shill. Me, I see something, I like it, I buy it, I bring them into the store, and I sell them because I'm a businessman. I'm not a TikTok tool dealer. No skin in the game. You think Louis has skin in the game?
Definitely.
I do. He does. TikTok tool dealers don't. You get this in orange, green, or black. I like this light. But Streamlight, and I'm not a big proponent of Streamlight. And I know a lot of their stuff's made in the USA. I doubt this is. But I got this light. This is my personal light. I use it around the store. I really like this light a lot. And it's got some really nice features to it. It's got my
That's
name.
just the regular wedge, right?
It's a wedge. Regular wedge. It's got my name on it. And I don't even sell these because they're so much friggin' money.
Yeah.
We haven't posted. Once in a while we sell them. But how much is this?
It's over $100.
Okay. But they came out with this one. This is the Wedge SL. This is a nice light. I hate to admit it, but this is a nice light. This will fit your pocket. You will not even know it's there. I like that it has no modes. I guess it's got 2 modes. On and then boost. I like that because you know why they're doing that? So you're not killing your battery. You have to hold it to keep the full brightness. It's smart. Streamlight's smart. They're not stupid. VC, tell the guy, call up Streamlight and ask for the president. Tell him I said it's a smart feature.
Okay.
And tell him to be nice to me.
Yeah, that's important.
That's it. They're not nice to me. And people are like, that company don't like you. That's funny. The company doesn't like me. Why? Why wouldn't a company like me? Because I'm giving better pricing to you guys? I'm the bad guy?
We
right?
may have gotten in trouble from a company this morning.
Yeah, I got in trouble this morning for having too low prices, and I'm like, well, that's funny because that's the price you're selling it for on your website.
Riddle
Right?
me that.
Yeah. Let me riddle me while I sit in this expensive chair, Nick, that rolls around over zip ties, but I can't post it for a nickel less than you do. And when I post it for the same amount you do, I get in trouble. If I never sell a Vyper chair in my life, I can care less. I posted them last week at a reduced price. I sold 0 of them, right? Now listen, I guarantee by the end of next week when you see this video, I will not be able to sell Vyper chairs. And guess what? I don't care. Because when I was out at a tool expo, I seen the exact same chair as Vyper made in China for like $30.
I'm just gonna go, after this video's done. I'm just gonna go ahead and take him down because I
Take him down. If I never sell a Vyper chair in my life, I do not care. I think it's a scam. My mechanics are not rolling around in shops because they're actually working, not rolling around with a latte in their hand. Okay. I think it's all smoke and mirrors. I don't think they're selling. I posted them for 1 week. We have 200,000 people on our Facebook page. I posted them. I sold 0.
Yeah, everyone kind of laughed at it too.
0. Okay, so maybe it's. Do you ever see like you wag the dog? I'm not hitting the table, am I? No, you're still sleeping. Okay. $74, $74.95. Listen, $74.95 for a Streamlight that's very small, fits in your pocket, has 2 modes, or $74.95 for this light that has 32 modes, including a UV light, pointer, and burn your house down high beam. I'm going with this one. You?
Yeah, I kind of want one.
This, right?
Yeah, I
me
might
too.
take one for myself.
I like this, but listen, this is my go. This has my name on it. Okay, listen, guys, I'm getting off track here. Listen, let me show you. Hang on, real quick. Let me show my little buddy. Come on, buddy. Got to make a little little say hello. All right. If you made it this long in a video, I know Nick's a bad guy, horrible, but I'm giving this little guy the best life he's ever had, right?
He looks pretty content.
He looks very. Does he look content?
Yeah.
I didn't bang either, right?
No.
I don't think I banged. But yeah. Anyway, he gained 1 pound this week. He's interacting with everybody. He's running around, wagging his tail.
He's just a little tired right now.
He does sleep a lot, but we just went for a walk. We just ate breakfast and lunch, so he's doing his own doggy thing, guys. Like we always say, come for the price, stay for the show. Peace.